We will discuss exercise 3.1 of linear equation. The question is mentioned. Aftab tells his daughter. There is a person, Aftab, who tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. यानी 7 years ago, आफ्ताब की जो एज थी, डॉटर की एज की 7 टाइम्स थी. 7 years ago, the age of आफ्ताब was 7 times as old as you were then. यानी डॉटर की एज की 7 टाइम्स. And also 3 years from now, प्रेजेंट एज से आफ्टर 3 years, यानी प्रेजेंट एज के बाद आफ्टर 3 years, आई शैल बी 3 times as old as you will be. यानी अभी से 3 साल के बाद, आफ्टर 3 साल, मेरी एज तुम्हारी एज की 3 times हो जाएगी. आई शैल बी, आफ्ताब की एज डॉटर की एज की 3 times हो जाएगी. सो वी हैव टू represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So firstly we will have to suppose their ages. So let Aftab's age be x years. Aftab's present age, we will suppose his present age. So let Aftab's present age be x years, and Aftab's daughter's present age be y years. So we have supposed their ages. The age of the present age of Aftab is x, and present age of his daughter is y. Now 7 years ago, Aftab की एज अभी प्रेजेंट एज x years है, तो 7 years पहले इसकी एज कितनी थी? सो वी विल राइट 7 years ago आफ्ताब्स एज. अभी की एज से 7 years कम हो जाएगी, यानी x minus 7 years. 7 years before, 7 years ago, अभी की एज अगर x है तो 7 years पहले आफ्ताब की एज क्या होगी? x minus 7. And also 7 years ago, daughter's age. अगर अभी डॉटर की एज y years है तो 7 years ago इसकी क्या एज थी? y minus 7. Now the statement is 7 years ago. Write down both the ages 7 years ago. X minus 7 equals to y minus 7. 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were. यानी आफ्ताब कह रहा है कि 7 years ago मेरी एज तुम्हारी एज की 7 times थी. I was 7 times as old as you were. मेरी एज यानी आफ्ताब की एज डॉटर की एज से 7 times थी. तो जिसकी एज के साथ 7 times या 3 times या 5 times लगा हो, उसके साथ 7 का मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, या 3 का या 5. तो आफ्ताब की एज डॉटर की एज की 7 times थी. आफ्ताब की एज किसकी एज की 7 times थी? तो डॉटर की एज की 7 times थी. इसलिए 7 का मल्टीप्लाई किसमें होगा? डॉटर की एज में होगा. नाउ सॉल्व द इक्वेशन. So x minus 7 equals to 7 into y, 7y, and plus minus minus 49, and x minus 7y equals to minus 49, and minus 7 will go on right side. So it becomes x minus 7y equals to minus of 42. This is the first equation. X minus 7y is equals to minus of 42. Now next statement, 3 years from now means after 3 years. Aftab's age. After 3 years, आफ्ताब एज, अभी से यानी प्रेजेंट एज से 3 इयर्स आफ्टर, आफ्टर 3 इयर्स आफ्ताब से, अभी x है तो अभी से 3 इयर्स बाद आफ्ताब की एज कितनी होगी, x प्लस है। एंड ऑल्सो फाइंड द डॉटर्स एज आफ्टर 3 इयर्स। So after 3 years, daughter's age. तो डॉटर की अभी की एज, प्रेजेंट एज कितनी है, y हमने सपोज किया, तो डॉटर की एज 3 इयर्स बाद कितनी होगी, तो y प्लस 3 इयर्स होगी। अब इन दोनों को, दोनों की एज 3 इयर्स आफ्टर 3 इयर्स इक्वेट कर दीजिए, x प्लस 3 इक्वल्स टू y प्लस 3। And now read the statement. 3 years from now, I shall be, I means after, I shall be 3 times as old as you. 3 years के बाद मेरी एज यानी आफ्ताब की एज डॉटर की एज की 3 टाइम्स होगी। तो 3 टाइम्स किसके एज की होगी, डॉटर के एज की होगी, तो 3 का मल्टीप्लाई डॉटर की एज में होगा। नाउ सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन। सो x प्लस 3 इक्वल्स टू 3y प्लस 9 एंड x माइनस 3y इक्वल्स टू 9 माइनस 3 एंड x माइनस 3y इक्वल्स टू 6। सो दिस इज द सेकेंड इक्वेशन। So this is called algebraically represent the situation algebraically. This is the situation which is represented algebraically. Now we have to draw the graph from this equation. So we will write both the equations. First is x minus 7y equals to minus 42. And the second equation comes x minus 7y equals to 6. From these two equations, we have to draw the graph. This is the algebraic representation. Now we have to solve it graphically. So firstly, we will have to make the table of both the equations. So the first equation is x minus 7y equals to minus of 42. X minus 7y is equals to minus of 42. This is the first equation. We have to eliminate. We have to eliminate either x or y. या तो x को एलिमिनेट करना होगा या y को एलिमिनेट करना होगा। तो एलिमिनेट उसे करना चाहिए जिसकी कोफिशिएंट 1 हो। जैसे यहाँ पे x की कोफिशिएंट 1 है तो x को एलिमिनेट करना इजी रहेगा। So x is equals to minus 7y will go on right side becomes plus and minus 42. X equals to 7y minus 42. Now we have to form a table. At least 3 to 4 values we have to find. Here we will write x and y. and 4 values we will find. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the different value of y and get the value of x. So for y equals to 6, कोई भी वैल्यू हम ले सकते हैं. y की वैल्यू अगर 6 डालते हैं तो x comes to be 7 into 6 minus 42. So 42 minus 42 equals to 0. So when y equals to 6, then x comes to be 0. Now for y equals to 5, y की वैल्यू 5 डालिए, then x equals to 7 into 5 minus 42. So 7 into 5, 35 minus 42, which is minus 7. So when y equals to 5, the value of x comes to be minus of 7. Now for y equals to 7, y की वैल्यू इस बार 7 ले लेते हैं क्योंकि 6 ले लिया, 5 ले लिया. So x equals to 7 into 7 minus 42, and this is 49 minus 42, which is 7. So at y equals to 7, the value of x at y equals to 7, the value of x is also 7. Both have the value. At y equals to 7, the value of x is also 7. Now put the value of y for y equals to y equals to 7, 8. We can put 8, but take 5. 5 already we have taken. So 6 taken, 7. So let y equals to 3. So x equals to 7 into 3 minus 42. So this is 21 minus 42, and it gives minus 21. So when y equals to 3, then the value of x comes to be minus of 21. And the graph, the table for second equation. Draw the table for equation number 2. So this is x minus 3y equals to 6. X minus 3y equals to 6. Now again eliminate the value of x. So x will come 3y plus 6. Draw the table x, y. Put the different value of y. So at y equals to 2, the value of x comes to be, at y equals to 2, x comes to be 3 into 2 plus 6, so it is 12. The value of x is 12. At y equals to minus 2, at y equals to minus 2, x comes to be 3 into minus 2 plus 6, so minus 6 plus 6, 0. X equals to 0. At y equals to minus 3, at y equals to minus 3, so x equals to 3 into minus 3, minus 9 plus 6, which is again minus 3. So at y equals to minus 3, the value of x is also minus 3. Minus 3, minus 3. And at y equals to 0, x comes to be 6. At y equals to 0, x comes to be 6. Now we have to draw the graph. So So let us draw the graph. Y-axis and x-axis. Positive x, positive y, negative x called x dash and negative y called y dash. So this is the value of x in positive direction, positive value of x. So we have positive value of x. The maximum positive value of x is 12. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We have taken the gap of 2. And the positive value of y, the maximum positive value of y is 7. So 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now see the maximum negative value. So the negative value is -7, -21. So -2, -4, -6, -8, -10, -12, -14, -16, -18, -20, and this is -20. Then negative value of y. Negative value of y. The negative value y is -2, -3. So -2, -4, -6, -8. In the same interval, we have to indicate these points. So when x equals to 0, the value of y is 6. When x equals to 0, the value of y, x equals to 0, तो 0 के ऊपर y की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. 0 के ऊपर पहले x की वैल्यू देखनी है, तो x की वैल्यू को डिसाइड किया 0 और फिर y की वैल्यू देख ली, तो 0 के ऊपर y की वैल्यू +6. देन x की वैल्यू -7 देखी, तो दिस इज -6, तो यहाँ पे -7 होगा. x की वैल्यू -7 और y की वैल्यू 5, तो -7 के ऊपर y की वैल्यू 5. सपोज दिस इज द पॉइंट. x की वैल्यू -7 एंड y की वैल्यू 5. x की वैल्यू 7, y की वैल्यू 7. x की वैल्यू 7 और y की वैल्यू 7. Around this is the point. 7, 7. x की वैल्यू -21, y की वैल्यू 3. So x की वैल्यू -21. This is -21 and the value of y is 3. So -21 and the value of y is 3. Now draw this graph. Draw the line, draw the graph by joining these points. Draw the graph by joining these points. Now x equals to 12, y equals to 2. So x equals to 12 and the value of y is 2. The value of x is 0 and the value of y is -2. So 0 and -2. The value of x is -3 and the value of y is also -3. So -3 and this is -3. -3 and -3. 6, 0. The value of x is 6 and the value of y is 0. Join this line, so they will meet. Both the lines, it seems to be there, the lines are not parallel and they are not coincident, means both the lines will meet. When you will draw this line on the graph paper, then both the lines will meet at x equals to 42. The solution will be x equals to 42 and y equals to 12. So both the lines will meet at x equals to 42 unit distance and y equals to 12 unit distance. So in graph paper, it will be represented in this way. The line, when both the lines will be produced, then both the lines will meet at x equals to 42 and y equals to 12 unit distance. So the solution of this equation is x equals to 42 and y equals to 12. Let us see another question. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls. The coach of a cricket team. The coach of a cricket team buys. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls. 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3900. The cost of 3 bats and 6 balls is given rupees 3900. She buys another bat and 3 more balls. She buys another bat and 3 more balls. She buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1300. Of the same kind. For rupees 1300. Then represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So we have to form the equation. So let the cost of one bat is rupees x. Let the cost of one bat is rupees x, and the cost of, let the cost of one ball is rupees y. So a coach of team buys 3 bats and 6 balls. So the cost of 3 bats will be 3x, and the cost of 6 bat per ball will be 6y, and the total cost is rupees 39. From these two terms, 3 is taken common, so x plus 2y equals to 3900, and it gives x plus 2y equals to 3900 by 3, which is 1300. So x plus 2y is equals to 1300. x plus 2y equals to 13. This is the first equation. Now see guys, another bet. So the cost of bet is rupees x and 3 more balls means x plus 3y, and the cost comes to be 1300. This is the another equation. So this is the graphical representation, and you have to draw the graph in a similar way, in a previous manner. You have to draw the graph, and you have to draw the graph in a graph paper, and the lines where intersect will be the solution of this equation. The third question is the cost of 2 kg of apples. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes. The cost of 2 kg of apples. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes, and 1 kg of grapes. The cost of 2 kg apples and 1 kg grapes was found to be rupees 160. Was found to be rupees 160. And after a month, the cost of 4 kg apples. After a month, the cost of 4 kg apples. After a month, the cost of 4 kg apples and 2 kg grapes is rupees 300, and 2 kg grapes is rupees 300. After a month, the cost of 4 kg apples and 2 kg grapes is 300. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. So we have to suppose the cost of apple and the cost of grape. So let the cost of 1 kg apple, the cost of 1 kg apple be rupees x, and let the cost of 1 kg grapes be rupees y. So the cost of 2 kg apples, so it will become 2x, and 1 kg grape 1y is equals to 160. This is the first equation. And the cost of 4 kg apples means 4x, and 2 kg grapes is rupees 300. So this is the graphical representation. You have to eliminate the value of x or y from these two equations and have to draw the graph in the similar way. And this completed the 3.1 exercise. In tomorrow's video we will see the next exercise.